I'm Bevan Boland. I'm a chef, artist and filmmaker, and food for me represents passion and enjoyment. Food should be creative. It should be full of heart and full of flavour. I want to be able to link people back to their own food connection and help them become better cooks and enjoy their own food stories. I'm on a mission to show people how local, homegrown and sustainable food can be awesome.
Welcome to Dawn in Lorne in Australia. Quite an amazing time. You've got to come here specifically just on sunrise and you get this beautiful, amazing energy that jumps off the Great Southern Ocean as she bashes against the cliffs. Now you've got that beautiful backdrop, that lush rainforest, but then you've got this calm and serenity of this sea. Great Ocean Road is an amazing story. It goes for hundreds of kilometres from Torquay, the surf coast, right down to Warrnambool, way down in the west, a couple of hundred kilometres. Now the most amazing thing about this road is it was completely made by returning veterans from the First World War, and it is a permanent reminder of that blood and toil that they sacrificed for their country. Completely handmade, carved out of the cliffs right along this stretch of coastline, and it is one of the most amazing and picturesque roads in the entire world. And I tell you what, it's a must see. But what you have to do is you've got to see it at a different time of the year. Don't come down in January where the tourists are everywhere. Don't do that, don't do that. Although it's great for the town, you'll also have 20 to 30,000 people coming down that road every day. What I want you guys to do as a special local secret is come down in February. Come down in autumn, come down in spring, come down in winter, and that's where you see the pure beauty of this place. Amazing.
So looking out across Teddy's Lookout, what's particularly special about this place, you get to see the magnificence of the Otways crashing into the Great Southern Ocean. Now over winter time and spring, you'll actually be able to see southern right whales going all down this coastline, down to their nursery down in Warrnambool. It's a pretty special kind of place.